Damn, that hurts. But got the old one off. New one's in the box. About to go on. Finally getting all this shit fixed. So get that along. Get that on. Get it lined up. My headlights. Get the headlights good. Yeah, see that bracket's loose. Get everything nice and tightened up, and then we'll be good to go. Throw on the bumper. Might do the bumper today. I don't know. My poor hood. My poor hood. But that's my little update for you guys. I've been doing time lapses pretty much, but the fender's off. New one's in the box, about to go on. All right, new fender out of the box. About to throw it on. Had to take the headlight out. I'm gonna tighten all these up. Y'all can see like my core support's fucked. Everything's cracked. Had to take all this out. But new fender, it's on a match, not getting scratched. But the whole car is gonna get something done to it, so it really doesn't matter if it gets scratched. But I'm about to throw this on, so I'm gonna throw it on, put everything back together, and see how it looks. And we'll be good to go. And then bumper, but tomorrow I'm gonna do the bumper and hood probably. Just the fender for today, just to get it out of the way.
Y'all good right here? All right, y'all.
Yeah, I'm backing up.
Hold on. Have them pull the tires on the line. All right, front tires on the line. Come on, a little bit more. Right there, you're good. Now record this.
What? That's a little bit. I gotta stop my recording off of that. Hold on. Gotta stop the whole recording.
You're good, you got it. Alright, first pump. In the first. Second. You don't need him. Come on. Alright, let's restart. First. Second. Third.
Oh my God.
Bro, blame the dog for that. I'm about to lose to an automatic G37 because niggas don't want to buy fucking manuals no more.
Go ahead, go. Turk spun so hard, bro. My phone takes forever to start recording. hates ugly.
Hey, y'all gotta do this shit, boy. Somebody should run down to the edge and see. Oh, you probably tell.
He honked him at the end.